What I will say is this is some of the driest, most fakest hair I've ever felt in my life. Girl, just let me know what's good. Girl, just let me know what's good. What's good? Welcome back to my channel. We're getting right into me installing this hair because I don't want this video to be super long. So let's talk. The hair I'm installing is from AliExpress. You know, we are bourgeois by any means over here, babe. The brand name is Baierte Hair. I hope I'm saying that correctly because I really tried just now. I do want to say that this was the first time I purchased from this company, and I know y'all heard me on the intro, but spoiler alert, I did purchase this hair 3 more times after this install. So what does that tell you, ladies and gentlemen? I don't exactly know, but oh my gosh, I remember what it means. It means that sometimes you have to trust the process. That whole setup was like to tell y'all to trust the fucking process. So trust the fucking process. Okay, now as I was saying, the pros and the cons. But first, before I tell y'all the pros and the cons, oh my gosh, I'm just all over the place. Okay, this hair that I'm installing, let's talk about the lengths and what I'm actually putting in my head. So this is 4 bundles of their raw Indian human hair kinky curly bundles with closure. And it's a 4x4 closure, obviously, but the bundles are 22 inches. I got 4 of them. And then the closure is a 4x4, a 20-inch 4x4 closure. And since we was already talking shit, let's start with the cons about this hair, and then I'll get into the pros. The cons about this hair is that it is very coarse hair. It feels like straw, like hay, like when y'all gonna see later, but it is very coarse. Like, okay, I have like 4A, 4B hair, and when my hair is dry, say you just washed your hair, right, and you didn't put any product in it, and you just put it in a bun and you went to bed and you slept on that wet hair. When you wake up in the morning and that hair feel like dry, brittle straw, that is what I'm talking about. And I'm talking about my hair. My natural hair is bleached. So I'm trying to give you an imagery. Think of that, what you feel, or go out there. I'm in Texas. Outside, go touch grass. Go touch some grass, and it probably feels like that. That's how coarse this hair is. Another con is that this hair sheds and tangles easily and very frequently. This hair sheds so much that around the house, like it collects in the corners because you want to brush your hair and through your hair, and every time you brush your hand through your hair, you probably taking some strands out. That's how much this hair sheds. Okay, honestly, that's all I really have for cons. Now let's get into the pros. One thing I will say about curly hair, because I know people are gonna be like, oh well, yeah, high maintenance. All curly hair is high maintenance, so I won't really call that a con. I will say though that this hair eats up water, conditioner, and mousse like nobody's business. You going through a whole bottle of Lotta Body. I was stretching my Lotta Body with water. I was diluting my Lotta Body so that it stretched because it uses so much. And then conditioner. I was mixing the conditioner and water together to make a concoction and spray it on this hair. Okay, but this hair, all curly hair, like I said, is high maintenance, so I'm not gonna call it high maintenance. That's just what I have to do with all curly hair. I haven't met a curly hair, not even my own hair. That's why I wear weave, because I don't have the patience. I be dragging that brush through the hair. So I'd rather do that with somebody else's hair, not my own hair, because I want my hair to grow. This hair, I don't really give a fuck what it does. So let me go ahead and move to the next topic. The pros for this hair. This hair is so affordable. I'm going to put on the screen every time I bought this hair and how much I paid for it. As y'all can see, this hair is very affordable, especially if you are learning how to do sew-ins or do quick weaves, or you need a quick style, or it's your birthday and you're going to do a trip, or whatever the case may be. If you just need a quick 1, 2, 3, you could get this hair, and if you know how to manage it, you'll be fine. The next thing is it's true to length. I would say that I felt like it was actually 22 inches. You know, this was the longest I went. Like I always am. I'm a 20-inch girly, like curly girly. I like to keep it shoulder and higher, but this was like my first time going for length. I felt like I was being a little risque going 22. So yeah, I feel like it's true to length. It's longer than any of the hair I've ever had, except for the closure. Now the closure, I want to smack somebody, because as you can see, I'm gonna have to cut this hair because that closure looks like a 16 or 18. It wasn't given 20 if the hair was supposed to be 22. You get what I'm saying? But whatever. Lastly, I will say that this gave kinky curly, so the description of that was true. Now I don't know anything. I've never trusted AliExpress whenever they've said anything like what is it, Indian hair or raw human hair. I don't trust none of that. I know I'm getting bottom of the barrel. I just expect that I'm getting bottom of the barrel, because all of that is marketing. All of that is SEO. They just trying to get the words to pop up. So they gonna say raw, they gonna say human hair, they gonna say 100%, they gonna say Indian, they gonna say Peruvian, Brazilian, Burmese. They gonna say whatever they want to get you to like click it. But those are my pros. And yeah, let's get back into this install. I'm about to start the styling process, and while I'm doing that, make sure y'all follow me on socials. Y'all can start by following me on Instagram. I really appreciate everyone that follows me and helps me on my creator journey. Hopefully I make y'all proud. I know y'all see that it's starting to look a lot better than that dry mess it looks like before. Let's talk about styling. As y'all can see, my hair is bleached. What I use is the black spray you get from the beauty supply. I spray that on my hair because it's literally only the front, and I only have the front of my hair left out because I do behind the hairline closure install. I find that looks the most natural for me. It's the least amount of maintenance, being that I like to work out a lot. Don't nobody got time to be trying to put that glue down every single day. This is the method I found that works best for me, while still being somewhat protective because I'm not adding heat or anything like that. So I'm just manipulating it. If I needed to blend better, y'all will see me like take some of my hair and twist it with the closure hair, or just take some mousse and wet my hair and just manipulate it to where that it blends, or just tuck it, because honestly anybody got time, and it's only a little bit of hair. Once it's sprayed black, you really cannot tell the difference. It looks so natural. Here's some pictures of what it looks like once it's done, and how I look at work and at the gym and out. I wore this hair for my birthday. I have always been a closure girly, whether it is going to be the traditional method with the closure and it's sewn down like at level with your hairline, or the behind the hairline closure method. I am a sucker for a closure because at the end of the day, I don't want to deal with my actual hair when it comes to protective styling, and I don't want to be responsible for making my lace look realistic when I know that's above my ability right now. Like, I'm pretty close, but for the most part, this feels the most tried and true to me. Now, what I will say, you're going to have to do a touch up in 2 weeks because they will slide back and you will start looking crazy. Besides that, I love this method. I'm not gonna do anything other than this method until I find something like even better, or until my hair is to my ass and I don't want to do protective styles anymore. But until that day, behind the hairline closures it is. Lastly, I don't know if anyone's told you guys this, but the method to have curly hair look as realistic and natural as possible, you have to finger coil that hair. You either have to do finger coils or get a Denman brush and twist it on the brush, but you're gonna have to put in some sweat. You're gonna have to work, bitch. Truthfully, that's the only way you'll be able to get it to look, natural. If you brush it and just leave it, like, okay, basically my hair right now, right? I just detangled it. That was pretty much it. I put some conditioner and that's how it looked the next day. Now, yes, this hair is like low quality or whatever. That's what it looks like. So now I'm going in with mousse, everything, and I'm finger coiling it because this is actually like how you style the hair and get it to set in that kinky, coily design that everybody likes, including myself. Don't say I didn't put y'all on. I'm really dropping the gems. If you've enjoyed or learned something new in this video, drop a comment. Let me know what you learned. Let me know what you've liked so far. I'll put the link in the description. But other than that, we're almost wrapped, y'all.
You have it. You think that I'm teasing, but I ain't got no reason. I'm sure that I can please you, but first I gotta. Ooh, boy, you looking like you like it. Come over and jack up on it. I'ma let you rock up on it. Ladies, let them jack up on it. Watch it, right, jack up on it. Come over and jack up on it. I'ma let you rock up on it. Ladies, let them jack up on it. Watch it, right, jack up on it. Come over and jack up on it. I'ma let you rock up on it. Ladies, let them jack up on it. Watch it, right, jack up on it. Come over and jack up on it. Watch it, right, jack up on it. Rock it, stop it, check it, check it, check it. Ooh, boy, you looking like you like it. Just see you.
This is the final result. Look how pretty these curls are. This is why we trust the process. I didn't have any faith in this hair in the beginning, but look at me now. Fire! If you made it to this point of the video, comment your IG or TikTok so I know who really is rocking with the squad and go show you some love as well. Once I hit 1,000 subs, I'll be doing a giveaway, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
The very next one.